An object in motion will stay in motion.
Unless acted on by another force, of course.
That's not how it works in Asgard.
Throw your hammer, I'll prove it. See, the hammer stayed in motion till I acted upon it.
Shit. Well, that doesn't count. You're an ancient fossil.
You're one to talk.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, huh?
Nuh-uh.
Sorry, Capsule, I'm gonna have to side with the Norse god on this one. Acting on an object is equal to the mass of that object times its acceleration.
No, you're wrong.
Fine, I'll prove it to you.
Who's gonna win?
Obviously, Cap.
Fine. $50 on Mr. Stark.
See, that's what I told you. Force equals mass times acceleration.
That's exactly what I said, you mutated grandpa! This is 50 cents.
So what is this?
A phone.
What is that?
What, do they not have tech on Asgard?
No, we do have hammers.
That's not tech.
It is in my country. This is wrong. Every action does not have an equal and opposite reaction.
With what education did you hear that from? I'll prove it to you. I'll lift the hammer.
You cannot!
Hold on, I'll get some help. So funny, Natasha. I'd like to see you try.
Fine, but no promises.
See, I told you. Only the worthy can make every action have an equal and opposite reaction.
Yes, I'll show you how it's done. Every action does have an equal and opposite reaction.
So, Thor, what have we learned today?
Well, I guess now I know.
Breaking news, guys. The Avengers just made this city again.
With science. How cool is that?
Boo! Guys, no, I'm serious. It's super cool. They use Newton's first, second, and third laws to save us all.
I'll send you over to my newscasters to explain it a little bit more. As we saw there, Newton's first law is about inertia. An object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, unless acted on by an outside force.
This sums up what inertia is.
A tendency to do nothing or to remain unchanged, and as demonstrated by the lovely Thor in Captain America, unless it's acted on by an outside force.
Newton's second law is all about force. He defines force to be equal to change in momentum per change in time. As you saw in that little dispute between Iron Man and Captain America. Newton's law was clearly applied.
Newton's third law is about action and reaction. You saw some Avengers, Iron Man, Black Widow, and Cap. Take action against the hammer, and the hammer reacted accordingly.
Whenever an object, Captain America, exerts a force on the second object, the hammer, that second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first. Now, we're going to scour the hallways to find the public opinion of the Avengers and their scientific endeavors. How do you feel about the Avengers?
I don't watch Avengers.
What do you think about the Avengers?
I know those are our guys.
What do you think about the Avengers?
Pretty good. Not bad.
What do you think about the Avengers?
I think they're pretty cool. Some of them are pretty hot, and that's all.
Thank you. What do you think about the Avengers?
I think the Avengers are great.
Think about the Avengers.
I think they're wonderful and they're my heroes.
Thank you. Do you like the Avengers?
I do like the Avengers. It was a great movie.
What do you think about the Avengers?
I like them.
An object motion will stay in motion.